What's up, guys? What's up, guys? On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a basic clicker game. So, as most people do, they search for a sprite for their clicker game, which I am going to do. But most people choose the ball or the balloon. I'm gonna choose an apple. So you see this apple? That's gonna be our apple. We're gonna make our own backdrop, or you could search a backdrop, up to you. I'm going to make a title screen. So first I'm going to, we're gonna add a backdrop. You can make your title screen whatever. I'm going to make it a grayish type color. Boom. And then we're gonna click on this apple, go to the code, go to events, when flag clicked, looks, switch to backdrop 1. So whenever you click the flag, it will instantly switch to the title screen. And then stay on looks. We're going to hide. And that's it for right now. So when you click this, it's gonna hide. But first, we're gonna create another sprite. What we're gonna do, we're gonna make a play button. So I'm gonna make a cyan play button. Boom, just like that. You can go ahead and, if you want to, you can go ahead and center it. Next, you want to grab your pointers. This is up to you. I'm just doing this because it makes the play button look better. Add your points for each corner. And then click on the original point and delete it. There, now you have a round play button. Now that you have your round play button, we need to grab the text. We need to make the text. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get out of this. We're going to center our play button. We're gonna go to text, and we're just gonna go all the way white. So we're gonna click here and put play. And we're just gonna size it up a bit and then center it. So now you have your play button. We're going to go to the backdrop. You can name this whatever you want, but I'm going to name this Pop the Apple. Pop the Apple. You can size it up if you want. You can name this whatever you want. It doesn't have to be Pop the Apple. And it doesn't have to be Pop the Apple. You don't have to make a play button. This is just my idea. You don't have to make a title screen. You can make it where they start right away. So now that we have that, we're gonna click on the sprite, and we're gonna do when this sprite is clicked, we're gonna go to looks, hide it, when this sprite is clicked, hide it. So, boom, once you click flag, once you click play, it's gonna hide. Now, that's it. It's not gonna do anything else. But since you have another backdrop, it's gonna switch the backdrop on instantly. So now we're gonna create another backdrop. And then I'm going to make it blue. I'm going to make my backdrop blue. So, we're gonna go back to the code. When this sprite is clicked, it's gonna hide. Then we are going to go to looks, switch backdrop to 2. So, whenever, hold on. But event when green flag is clicked, looks, show. So you're gonna go here, play, then you switch to here. This is where you're gonna grab your apple. When green flag clicked, switch to backdrop 1. That's what it's gonna do. But we are not going to use this green flag clicked, so we're gonna take this off. We're going to go to events. We're going to broadcast message, new message, green flag. Boom. Now, instead of using this, we're gonna boom. When I receive green flag, show. When the sprite is clicked, hide. Then we're gonna go over here to the apple. Now, we're gonna go back here. And when the sprite is clicked, we are going to broadcast something different. We are going to broadcast play. And when I receive play, when I receive green flag, that's going to do this. It's gonna still do that. But now, when I receive play, we are going to go to looks, then go to show. Because if you do what I had earlier, when you click play, your apple will not show. So I click here, and then my apple shows. Now, events, when the sprite is clicked, and you can do this if you want, but I'm gonna do this myself. Chomp sound. I did that earlier before I started recording. It sounds like the basic, but trust me, it's way different. So when this sprite is clicked, sound, play, chomp until done. So that's what you're gonna play. Then you can go to motions and go to random position. Then you're going to go to variables, make a variable called score. This is for all sprites. And then when this sprite is clicked, change score by 1. So you click here, pop the apple, but as you can see, the score is still there. So when I receive green flag, we're going to hide score. But when I receive play, we're going to show the score. So you click start and pop the apple. You click play, it's there. And every time you click the apple, it's gonna go to a random position and do what it's supposed to do. There is your basic clicker game. Make sure you save. I am going to publish this. Just let me know if you want me to add anything. I am new to Scratch, but I know a lot about it. But that will be it for today's video. I will make another video where I add more stuff, but that's it for today.